In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to meditate, and this works as meditation for anxiety, meditation for focus, or meditation for sleep. You can use this video as a guided meditation, but my main goal is to teach you how to meditate properly without a guide. I've found this meditation is great for beginners and works especially well as a morning meditation because it doesn't take much guidance once you learn it, and it also doesn't take much time. I've been doing this consistently for over 5 years, and it's improved my anxiety, my ability to focus, and my ability to stay patient and think clearly, even when I'm dealing with a lot of stress. And this is a form of mindfulness meditation that has 3 parts. And after I walk through each of them, I'll share with you a quick tip that has helped me get the benefits of this in under 2 minutes when I don't have the time to do the full meditation. I've tried like 10 different types of meditation. There hasn't really been anything that I've been able to stick to until I found this one. This style of meditation is one that I learned from Emily Fletcher, who runs Ziva Meditation, and I've added a couple little elements from other things I've learned into it as well. Part 1 of this meditation is mindfulness. And you can think of the mindfulness piece as your on-ramp to the actual meditation. So start by closing your eyes and tuning into your breath. Focus on breathing into your diaphragm and expanding your stomach without having too much movement in your shoulders or chest. And you want to start by counting your breath, focusing on doubling the length of your exhales. For example, you might breathe 3 seconds in, 6 seconds out, and if you want, you can even add a hold on the end of your exhale. So once you do that a couple times and you're focused on your breath count, you're going to start going through each of your senses. So you can start by rubbing your fingertips together and really bringing your mind into your fingertips and feeling those fingerprints. Then you can focus on what you're hearing, listening to the surroundings, and just observing all the little things that you can hear. And as you inhale through your nose, try to observe what different scents or smells you can pick up on. Then take a moment to bring your focus into your taste buds, just to try and recognize the different tastes you might be experiencing right now. And lastly, continuing with your eyes closed, take a moment to really focus on what you're seeing. Obviously, with your eyes closed, it's going to be the back of your eyelids, but sometimes you can pick up on different shapes or different colors. Oftentimes there's like purple that you might see. It might just be completely dark. So every time you sit down to meditate, use this on-ramp or this warm-up for 2 minutes to get into the actual meditation. And once you transition into the actual meditation, you want to continue sitting still in a position that's comfortable for you. And I would aim to do this for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep your breath count going, and if it's helpful, you can envision yourself like you're in a bubble. Each time a thought tries to enter your mind, it's as if it's running into the bubble. And some thoughts are inevitably going to trickle through, but don't worry about that. Just observe the thoughts, and whenever possible, bring yourself back to the breathing count. If it's helpful, you can use a mantra for this part, which might be a single word of a different language that you repeat, or it could even be a light hum that you start to do when you feel thoughts coming on. And the point of the mantra is to give your mind something to anchor on. It's almost like a way for you to distract your mind to help you prevent thoughts from entering your bubble. So you should be constantly trying to anchor your mind either on your breathing or the mantra or a combination of the two. You're not going to be perfect at this, so don't try to be. As long as you sit there for 10 to 12 minutes, you've done a great job. There are going to be times when you try and do this and your mind might be extremely distracted. You might be constantly going through your to-do list. There are going to be other times where you might find that you're able to clear your head for a long period of time. It's going to depend entirely on everything that you have going on in your life and the things that you're thinking about. But at the end of the 10 to 12 minutes, you want to transition into the manifestation piece of this meditation. And this part only needs to be a minute or two. It's really like the off-ramp. As you come out of your meditation, think about something that you're working on or something that you're trying to accomplish today that might be something that you find pretty challenging. And you want to envision yourself already having completed that challenge. So whatever it is, maybe it's a project that you have, a big sales call you have coming up, or a workout that you're going to do in the afternoon, and try to envision yourself and embody the feelings that you'd get from having completed that successfully already. And this doesn't have to be goals that you're working on today. I find that that's a great way to use this. It can also be larger goals that you might be working on for the week or the month or even a year goal that you have. So before I explain how you can get the benefits of this meditation, even if you have only 2 minutes or less, I'm going to quickly recap what this looks like. This starts with an on-ramp which is 2 minutes of mindfulness going through each of your senses. Then you transition into the meditation, which is usually 10 to 12 minutes, and you're anchoring on your breath or you're anchoring on a mantra. And then for the last minute or so, you are going into manifestation mode, envisioning yourself and embodying those feelings of having completed a goal that you have in front of you. This does not have to be perfect. I personally have found that if you commit to sitting down for 12 to 15 minutes every day for a few weeks to do this, you're going to start to notice some really incredible benefits. But sometimes you might not have the time. You might only have a couple of minutes. So here's how I go about using this if I only have 2 minutes. I just compress each of those windows. So I might do the mindfulness for 20 to 30 seconds, going through the breathing, only a couple of breaths. Then I transition into the meditation for 60 to 90 seconds, and then I do the manifestation for 15 to 20 seconds. Compressing it makes it really easy to do if you only have a couple minutes. Maybe you're between meetings or you're grabbing lunch. Once you get the formula down, it's actually super quick and effective to do in the shorter windows throughout your day. And even doing this for 1 to 2 minutes can leave you feeling more energized, more focused, even happier and less stressed. The key is to stick with it, so remember, you cannot fail unless you don't try it at all. By the way, my name's Andrew. I'm a personal trainer, a nutrition coach, a corrective exercise specialist, and I'm also the founder of Longevity Lifestyle, where we take all the latest research on human performance and longevity and use it to help create courses and personalized programs for people that want to take back control of their health, avoid chronic disease, and not have to be on medications for the rest of their lives. So if you're looking for more content that'll help you do that, then please like and subscribe to the channel.